Cassava no be poor man food. Now the engine where they build it a live. From fufu bowl to starch in suit. From flour to ethanol, na silent loot. You feed dry and pound and slice and clean. Na garri, na chips, na bread, na cream. Cassava they dress like every dish. Now only wisdom fit see this way. Cassava be life. We dey sleep on gold. Oh. We go turn am to drink fuel flour. To rain like shower. Africa wake and see. Cassava be king, cassava be free. Cassava be king, cassava be free. Garri they last for months on shelf. Feed school, army and yourself. Starch, they bleach, they weave, they bind. In paper, textile, even textile design. Ethanol, they power your car. Na cassava be fuel, star cake. Biscuits, bread where they last. If na cassava, it they move fast. Why we they watch import rise? When root we grow fit win the prize. Farmers they sweat but market they cry. Cause factory no day to multiply. Let's build mill, let's own refinery. Like cassava they feed our destiny. Cassava they turn table round. Na food, na job, na money compound. From Benue to Brong-Ahafo. We they plant but we know they blow. We they export raw, we import back flour. But this generation go reclaim power. Na starch they bind the cloth you wear. But leaders know they even they aware. We fit train youth, empower the zone. Add value till we own our own. From garri to ethanol, block to glue. Cassava they build what oil no do. Cassava they cure the hunger gap. We they make mama hustle snap. We clean peel, sun dry and grind. We go feed the continent in time. Cosmetics go use them for cream and scrub. Organic, natural, direct from shrub. Let's invest, let's brand, let's sell. Make cassava ring that nation bell. Cassava be gold. Let's package and bold. Let's package and bold. Let farmers hold. Let the root they rise like hope. Let Africa climb that slope. Cassava be power. Let it feel, heal and flower. From ground to table. Cassava they stable.